Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 28 to September 3, 2023. So bago tayo magsimula, promote ko lang itong aking mga power bracelets for manifestation of protection, healing, love, money, at marami pang iba. So available po yan sa Shopee at sa TikTok. Yung link po niyan ay nasa description. Paki-check nyo na lang. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin ang inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, Sagittarius, that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see, Sagittarius. What's up? Weekly reading. Tree of Life. Wow. So, Tree of Life is about blessings and support. So, maaring merong parating na blessing sa inyo in terms of money, your career, yung mga pangangailangan ninyo. And this is also support sa inyo, no? Maaring kung meron man kayong kakaharaping challenges sa mga resources ninyo, pangangailangan ninyo, rest assured that someone is going to help you, no? May mag-extend ng support sa inyo na masasabi nyo na, wow, this is a blessing, ganon. You also have the snake. So this is healing. You may be healing from your past. Pwede itong physical healing, no? Maaring nagkaroon kayo ng karamdaman ng mga nakaraang araw or buwan. So ngayon, you are finally healing from that. This is also progress, no? Sa mga nasimulan nyo. With the Tree of Life here, I think meron kayong sinimulan na bagong like a new beginning, bagong career, business, or can be a relationship na nagpapatuloy yung pag-unlad at pag-grow nito. Okay? So, let's see what else for you, Sagittarius. And some of you are just going with the flow, no? Hindi kayo nagre-resist sa kung ano mga bagay na hindi nangyayari according sa plano ninyo. So, kung hindi nangyayari, ibig sabihin, it's not meant for you. So, you just go with the flow. Okay? Let's see, ano pa? You have the Owl. Detach your emotions from situations that you cannot control. See? Ayun na nga. Anything na hindi mo makontrol, wala kang power over it, like you cannot control the situation, you're just going to let go of that, no? That's part of going with the flow. And with the Owl here, I think you have a lot of wisdom na, no? Marami ka ng natutunan from your experiences and na-realize mo na the more na kinokontrol mo yung situation, the more na parang hindi siya umaayon sa gusto mo eh. So, for you, you will just let go of the things na hindi mo kayang i-manage. You also have Wolf. This is heart medicine. Let go na naman. Let go of that which does not serve your highest good. Yes, this is part of your healing process, no? Oo, yung iba na halimbawa, merong taong umalis sa buhay ninyo, no? Hindi nyo na hahabulin yon, wala na kayong gagawin para i-save yon because alam nyo sa sarili nyo na you already did your part, you already did your best. So, hayaan mo na lang. If it's no longer serving your highest purpose, para sa katahimikan na rin ang isip mo. So, your overall energy is the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, see? You're moving on. You're moving forward. Things are changing for the better, Sag. What is your challenge? Ano yung challenge ng mga Sagittarius? You have the Page of Swords. This is about learning something, being more curious. I think kung meron kayong mga interest ngayon na gusto nyo matutunan, malaman, matuklasan, you also need to learn something or parang mag-effort ka para madagdagan yung kaalaman mo. Diba? Halimbawa, gusto mong maging magaling na engineer or maging magaling dyan sa area where you are working for. So, syempre, hindi lang tayo magre-rely sa kung ano yung meron tayong knowledge ngayon. It is about, being more inquisitive or yung mas nagiging interesado ka sa mga bagay na pwede mo pang matutunan, mapag-aralan base sa passion mo. Keep learning. Yan. So, this is your opportunity. Ten of Pentacles, a good opportunity for your finances. Yes, so meron ditong flow ng abundance for you, especially with your family. So, maaari ring family member ninyo, meron ngayong magandang nangyayari sa kanya sa finances niya, sa trabaho, sa career niya, or pwedeng kayo rin to. Kaya meron ditong nag-grow, meron ditong tutulong. Pwedeng it's either kayo yung tutulong sa iba or kayo yung tutulungan financially. So, this is your blessing. You have the Chariot. Wow. Ang ganda nito as a blessing kasi this is movement. This is triumph. Okay, victory. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring may blessing of car, sasakyan. Or pwede ring travel opportunities for you. And I think you are really focused on your destination. Yung iba sa inyo, nandoon, you are keeping your eye on the prize. Ano yung makukuha nyo na rewards or resulta, no, ng mga pinagpaguran nyo or pinaghirapan ninyo. You also have Jupiter in Gemini in the 3rd house. 3rd house is about communication. This is also short travel. With Jupiter here, I think you are being blessed pagdating sa knowledge and also yung mga travel opportunities, learning. So, maaring iba sa inyo, maraming trainings na nag-open up sa inyo or may opportunity kayo na matutunan ang isang bagay na interesado kayo. So, i-grab nyo na yung opportunity na yan. Merong achievement. You have the Sun in Capricorn in the 10th house of your career. Ayan. So, Sagittarius, for you, career ang isa sa pinaka-focus ninyo. Nandun yung attention nyo ngayon. You are building your stability, no, when it comes to your career, your finances. So, keep your eye on the prize. Pwede rin merong leadership role na nag-open up sa inyo ngayon. Can be your business as well. Things are doing well for your business para sa may mga negosyo dyan. You also have the boat. Wow! Grabe oh, money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. Wow! Ito yung tipong hindi mo pinagpaguran. Talagang blines ka lang, sinuwerte ka lang, no? So, maaring meron kang mamanahin na pera, property, bahay, lupa, sasakyan, or mananalo ka dyan, no? Windfall eh. Diba? Ang ganda. Blessed na blessed kayo ngayon, Sag. You also have Fox, shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. So, maging maingat sa mga makakadeal mo pagdating sa negosyo, or related sa pera kasi maaring meron dyan na merong hindi magandang intentions, okay? Lalo na kung nakikita nila na you are being blessed. So, syempre, pag mga ganyan, mainit sa mata yan ng mga mandurugas. So, mag-ingat, okay? Kumbaga, mag-investigate muna kayo bago kayo makipag-deal sa isang tao related sa business, sa finances. And you are going to go out, no? And you will have fun. Ang ganda naman ito, grapes. Yes, you will enjoy. That's why may mga travel opportunities for you. Lalo na kung nakabili kayo ng sasakyan. Oo, so, ayan na. Ano nyo na yan. Ang tawag dun? Break-in. I will break-in nyo na. Pupunta kayo sa iba't ibang lugar. Para ma-enjoy nyo yung inyong bagong car. And yung iba naman, this is just, traveling with your family, with your loved ones. And siguro part rin to ng mga celebration ninyo dahil sa mga achievements ninyo sa career nyo. You are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and reaching new heights. Yes, you are reaching new heights. May upgrade. May mga naaabot kayo ngayon na mas mataas sa sitwasyon nyo or sa posisyon nyo ngayon. And spiritual connection, I think you are also being more connected to your higher self. Mas nagiging matatag yung pananampalataya mo, no? Let go of convention and follow your own unique path. Yes. So, unique path. Kung ano yung mga nakagawian, no? Iiba yung landas mo. Iibahin mo yung landas mo kasi alam mo na merong mas magandang opportunity for you outside of the conventional. Okay? So, meron kang ifa-follow na unique path. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.